Nepal's sponge iron imports to hit all-time high in CY22. What next? Nepal, a landlocked nation, has registered significant growth in their metallic imports, as per data maintained with Steel Mint. Country's sponge iron imports gained by 120%, while pig iron imports rallied by 390% during Jan to October 2022 compared to the preceding last year. With the multifold imports, the country registered about 440,000 tonnes of sponge iron imports and around 41,000 tonnes of pig iron imports in Jan to October 22 period. Rising melting capacities in the nation is the key factor behind this constant rally in imports. Will the imports grow further? Steel Mint, in conversation with several industry leaders, learned that Nepal's sponge iron imports to register over 5 lakh tonnes in CY22, which will be nearly two-folds as against 260,000 tonnes during CY21. In line with this, pig iron imports are also expected to cross 45,000 tonnes in CY22, which will be over 3 times higher as against 12,600 tonnes during CY21. Who are benefited? India is the largest producer of DRI in terms of import. Nepal became a major importer of Indian DRI against the second largest during CY21 after Bangladesh. With the rapid expansion in melting capacities in neighboring nations, the sponge iron producers based in eastern regions, which covers Odisha, Jharkhand and West Bengal, are largely benefited with this due to the advantages of logistics via rail route and sea route. Out of total sponge iron exports from India, about 90 to 95% is exported from India, while remaining from central and southern regions, which depends on price competitiveness. Competitive Indonesian offers worried Indian billet and wire rod exporters. After an imposed export duties on Indian finished steels, including wire rods, from May 22, the Indian producers of both IF and BF route wire rods are worried and hardly any deals concluded to Nepal due to the competitive offers from Indonesia. Roughly, the landed cost to Nepal of Indonesian wire rods and billets are cheaper by $100 per ton as compared to the Indian material. Recently, the Nepal mills have placed another order of wire rods to Indonesia, which is a total of around 25,000 tonnes for December or early Jan shipments. Steel Mint learned this from trade sources. The deals took place around $560 per ton CFR Haldia basis. This is equivalent to $600 to $605 per ton CPT Nepal. Earlier, the Nepal mills booked total of around 50,000 tonnes of wire rods and 25 to 30,000 tonnes of billets, which material is largely shipped about 90%. So what's next? Nepal's steel industry is growing significantly in terms of steel capacities. The total annual capacity of existing industry is around 3.5 to 4 million tons per annum, and the annual steel demand is about 2 to 2.5 million tons. To know more on Nepal's trade dynamics and changing in import preference, book your seat at 2nd Nepal Steel and Trade Summit, which is on 1st and 2nd of March at 2023 at Kathmandu, Nepal, and get a chance to hear from renowned industry participants from across the globe. Thank you.